Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors, and right now I've got this 2017 Toyota Camry SE that we just traded in. This is a beautiful car. It's a local two-owner car from right here out of Chesapeake, in excellent condition with clean history report. As you can see, very little to no rock damage on the front of it. Looks to be all original paint with the exception of the rear bumper, in which the day that it was brought to me, it had a small ding in it that the previous owner, who also happens to be my nephew, he traded it in to me. He does body work and paint, so he fixed the rear bumper, and all that it was somebody had tapped it in this corner right here, and they did an excellent job repairing that. The only other paint flaw on it is the fading on the top of the spoiler here, and I wouldn't consider the bumper a paint flaw, but it actually did have that little bit of paint work done. That's not even on the history report. It's just something that I'm going to tell you about. Anything that we notice on our vehicles, we do point out. That way when you get them, when you come to see them, there are no apologies. We've been right here at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard, since 1974, and if we get the chance to earn your business, we're going to show you why. So we'll get on with the car here. As you can see, the wheel is in good shape. Great amount of tread on that front right tire. Good tires on the back of it. We are getting ready to take it down for Virginia State inspection. We've looked over it, don't see any reason why we're going to have any problems, but of course if there is something that we couldn't see that the inspector does, that we're going to take care of that. So you will have a new inspection sticker on it. It will be freshly serviced. We just changed the oil on it. We just fully detailed it. As you can see, the headlights look really good. They're not faded or turning yellow in any bad kind of way. The interior is extremely clean. Both previous owners were non-smokers. Very well kept up. And as you can see, that driver's seat is in great condition. Very little to no wear on this interior at all. This is a 2017. It has 98,864 miles on it currently. Of course, it does have Bluetooth. It does have backup camera. Super cold air conditioning. Auxiliary inputs. More power source inside of the glove box there. All the mats are in it. Dash is nice and clean. Plenty of room in the back seat. And a great color too. This is a very high metallic blue. Most of the time it looks black, but when the sun hits it just right, you can see all that blue flake in there. It's a great color. Huge trunk. Tons of space in there. And then of course these buttons right here that drops down the back seat just in case you were to ever need that kind of cargo space. And your spare and your tools inside of there. great shape, no major dents or dings, no real problems to speak of. And this is their 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. It actually has quite a bit of power, great gas mileage, very low maintenance, easy to work on, and should last quite a while if taken care of and continued maintenance. So we've got it for you here at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victor Boulevard, again right here since 1974 in Portsmouth, Virginia. We of course offer top dollar for your trades, warranty included, financing available, shipping and delivery as well. So we look forward to hearing from you. Hope to talk to you soon.